The
So now just to bring it to your notice, this sunset yellow, this food color called sunset yellow is also a type of paint which is available in the market which used for painting a wall sunset yellow. So these are very harmful chemicals. Let's now move on to dyes. Now our food colors were meant, as the word says, colors and essences were meant for food items, where dyes are meant for other things, especially clothes.
colored substance which, on applying to an article, imparts that color to the article is called a dye. Generally, a dye is soluble in water and insoluble in oil. Often, a mordant has to be used to fix the color after dyeing a cloth.
Now, what is a mordant? A mordant is a chemical. Now, once you put the dye, the color is given to once the color is applied or imparted or given to the cloth or the article. Now you need to see to it that the color doesn't come off easily. So to fix the color or to make the color permanent permanently fixed on that article or that cloth, whatever that article is or that thing is, we use mordant, mordant. So it's a fixative. It helps to fix the color on the article so that the color doesn't come out easily. So I hope that is clear to you.
Plants are the main source of color for preparing a natural dye. Roots, leaves, flowers, bark, fruits, seeds, fungus, and pistil are used for making dyes. In Kashmir, a very good dye is made from saffron, which is used to dye fibers from which saris, shawls, and dresses are made. These
Now this is, you have heard about saffron, right? Called kesar, no? You add kesar even to your no, when you're cooking food. Sometimes you add little bit of kesar to give a nice reddish orangish look to your food. Okay, so and kesar is also used, or what we call saffron is also used for dyeing fibers or cloths. But kesar, as you all know, your mummy must be aware. I'm not sure, but kesar is very expensive by itself, and that's why the saris or the clothes which are dyed using kesar, this natural color kesar, is also very expensive because kesar or saffron by itself is a very expensive thing. A few grams cost hundreds of rupees, no, hardly, 1 or 2 grams may cost 400 or 500 bucks. That is 500 rupees. That is quite expensive, and that's why these kesar dyed saris or saffron dyed saris and clothes are very costly.
are very costly. Many people are engaged in this occupation as their means of earning a livelihood. The use of henna leaves to color hair is safe for health. William Henry Perkin invented an artificial dye in 1856. Artificial dyes are classified into many types on the basis of chemical properties and solubility. Petroleum products and minerals are used in these dyes. Uses 1.
I hope you heard that. What they use in these dyes, they're using petroleum products, no, or minerals are used for these dyes. In other words, they're using chemical substances. They're using very these chemically harsh substances for making these dyes. So the first use, you can see they're used for coloring cloth and hair. Hair, you have seen nowadays you have these hair colors you get, no, Garnier, L'Oreal, and all this biotic and all. So these hair colors, they contain dyes for dyeing the hair to make a hair black. Previously they used to only worry about making the hair black, but nowadays people are dyeing their colors in pink and yellow and whatnot, different colors. So nowadays nobody is worried about dyeing black, but they want those who are black. uh, Previously people used to, those who had white hair, they always wanted to dye their hair and make it black. But now people, and we used to, no, and nowadays people are more bothered about. Those who have got black hair, they are wanting to make it look yellow and all these peacock colors. It's become a fashion now. Okay, but we don't realize that in the bargain we are going to spoil the hair because these chemicals are going to spoil the texture of the hair. It will go inside and it will damage the roots and the very fiber or the body of the hair.
One, they are used for coloring cloth and hair. Two, fluorescent colors are used to make street boards that are visible at night. Three, dyes are used to polish leather shoes, purses, and chappals. Adverse effects. 1. Dyeing hair can have adverse effects like hair fall, damage to hair texture, burning of skin, adverse effect on eyes, etc.
So, boys, next time before you dye your hair, and especially when you go to college and all, you try to, now in the school we are very strict. We don't allow you to dye your hair. When you go to, when you start working, or maybe when you grow up, you may like to dye your hair. But remember, whatever you do to your hair, God has blessed you with black hair, good hair. Be grateful to God. Don't spoil it by dyeing it and all. Doesn't make any. I don't know what, but it will spoil your hair. In the long run, you will be the loser. So be happy with whatever God has. If God has given you black hair color, just be happy with it, because God always wants. God, if God wanted to, if God thought that yellow and green color and all these other colors were good for your hair, He would have created you with those colors. But God never wanted us to have all those colors. God always wanted human beings to have hair black colors, and maybe when you grow up, maybe a gray or a white color. But He never wanted all these peacock colors for us. So don't ever think of putting all these peacock colors and dyeing your hair and getting all this, because it will damage your, not only as you see, it's saying a burning of skin, that it can even damage the scalp of the hair. Scalp means the skin below the hair, on your head. The skin is there on the head. Okay, that hair scalp can also get damaged.
2. Lipstick contains a dye named carmine. It does not affect lips but causes stomach disorders. 3. Excessive use of plants for making natural dyes results in deterioration of the environment. Artificial colors. We regularly use artificial colors on Rang Panchami, decorating the house by painting. The red color used on Rang Panchami is very dangerous. It contains a high proportion of mercury in it. This poses risks like blindness, skin cancer, asthma, itching of the skin, permanent blocking of sweat pores, etc.
So we these hair colors, yeah, they sorry, not hair colors, the artificial colors can cause all these dangerous disease. And you saw they contain mercury. This red color especially contains red. Artificial color contains mercury, and as I told you in the earlier slide, just little before this, that mercury can cause cancer. Remember lead and mercury? I told you they can cause cancer. Here you can see it can. Mercury is causing you skin cancer, as you can see in this slide here, no. And it can also cause asthma. It can also cause asthma. Okay. So if you remember that movie, Mardani Part Two, Mardani Part 2, in that you see that villain, the young boy who's shown as a villain, is allergic. No, the moment when they in the end, they throw the paint, one whole bucket of paint at him, and he gets an asthma attack. So that means these paints, they have got something in it which can cause asthma, or can give you, you can get an asthma attack because of that. Or if you don't have it, you can fall prey to this disease, and you can have asthma. So we need to be very careful when you use this color, especially for Holi. And some people also use oil paints for Holi, which is very bad. Some people use screen printing colors. They want to use such colors which will not go easily, but we realize that it damages our skin and can cause a lot of problems to our body. It's not good because these paints don't go off easily using soap. Then we have to wash it using kerosene or oil, and then when you use oil, what happens is when you use this harsh chemicals like oil or kerosene for washing of these colors, then they spoil our skin texture also. So that hair, that artificial color is also spoiling your what do you call skin. Plus, when you try to wash it with all this kerosene and all, when you try to wash off the color after playing holy in the evening when you're having a bath, and you realize that the colors are not going with the soap, then you have to scrub it and scrub it. That destroys texture of the skin, and you use all this oil and all. You have to use oil or kerosene to wash them off, and that kerosene can also affect your skin. So you're getting badly affected. So that's why you have to be very careful. Try to use very eco-friendly colors what you get nowadays to while playing holy. So be careful, boys. Don't use very strong paints or no oil paints or the screen printing paints.
Therefore, it is necessary that artificial colors are used cautiously. Find out. Find out the hazardous chemicals present in the artificial colors and their harmful effects.
So you see this brilliant blue causing allergies, indigo carmine causing cancer, and you saw the normal carmine also cause stomach disorders, creating problems for your stomach. It was used in the lipstick, carmine, and then allura red. It affects the immune system, particularly in children. See what happens if your immune system is affected. What will happen is simple. You will start falling prey to all diseases. You'll keep falling sick every now and then if your immune system is affected. Your immune system is your body's fighting system. And finally, you have the tetrazine, which causes asthma. So, we, so beware of using artificial colors. So next time you play Holi, see that you use very eco-friendly or natural colors.